Hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDPI King. Today we are going to solve Symbiosis National Aptitude Test 2024 paper which was held on December 2024 by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper itself. As you know that previously we have solved from the all the quantitative section question, right from the 16th number question to end of this 35th number question, where I have told you the trick I have used in 34th, the best trick no teacher can teach you. And by just by applying that my tricks, you can reduce your time significantly, approximately by 10 to 12%. So that may help you to score in 99 percentile or plus, more than that also, because time is the key here, because in a limited time you have to solve all the questions. So that's why the tricks and tips will be useful for you. So today we are going to solve as you know, analytical and logical reasonings. And question number 42. Yesterday we solved question number 41, where I told you that not every question you have to attempt, because there is a negative marking in your paper. So which question you have to leave, that thing you have to know firstly before just attempting the same. Don't make any guess. So let us go ahead for this question. So here they say they are saying find the correct number that will complete given series. Okay, 14, 26. What is the difference? So when numbers are nearer, so nearer, then you can find differences. If suppose number was like 14, 30, 58, like this, then you know that these are some kind of multiplication technique. Okay, so by this way you can identify the pattern. Is it multiplication, addition, subtraction? So firstly we will go, since number are so closer to each other, we will go for the addition. Okay, so 14 minus 26 means what? There is a 12, this is 10, this is 8, this is 6. So 12, 10, 8, 6, and this is 4. So this will be 4 and this should be 2. So 56 minus 2 is 54. And for cross check you can do this 50 plus 4, because here we have written 454. So 54 is the correct answer. So in these type of question where there is a one blank available in the given series, that is incomplete series, and you have to complete that. For that you have to know that is it multiplication, division, or addition of subtraction. So this depend only on the criteria, that if number are too closer to each other, all the numbers, it will be addition or subtraction. If number are not closer to each other, just like 1.5 times, 2 times, or more, are far more away from formal one, then it would be division or multiplication. So this is the quick tip for this question. You make sure you subscribe to our channel. Do support us by subscribing and sharing this video to your friends. If you want to enroll our batch, also join our colleges, different colleges group, where GDPI is being conducted also, and they discuss, all the enrolled students discuss about their what they have asked in the interview. You can just join our group. Link has been given in the description box. Thank you everyone for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.